The Engadin Art Talks are a wonderful opportunity in this incredible context here to actually bring together different disciplines around a topic. And the idea really of going beyond the fear of pooling knowledge. And in a way, I mean, what is so exciting is obviously that the thinking works better in the Engadin. I mean, it's a very strange thing that whenever one gets into the Engadin, one gets many new ideas. I mean, it's not by coincidence that Nietzsche wrote Zarathustra here, that many artists of all generations, came here to write and to work. And it's a very special space and place to think.
其中有一张面具的作品，就是说，我觉得这个作品特别像我自己，所以我就花了大概10年的时间画了一下。
Talking, smiling, laughing, really
exhibition here of Giorgio Griffa.
Maybe after the talks or this.
Elle, c'est Juliette Janson.
L'espace règne.